Now go back to our structure. Now as you see, our payment date is automatically defined here. So what else we need for our table? We need an amount, right? So I write DMBTR for that amount, and I'll write the same standard data element for that component. How do I know this component name? Let me show you. Let's go back. SE11. I write here bsec and display. This is a standard table, and you can see lots of component fields for that table. And let's search for our DMBTR. This is an FI document table. So I'm just copying the same field here. As you see, its data element is DMBTR. In SAP, when you're creating objects, you don't always need to create every data element. You can just use the standard data elements also. And we need a currency for our amount, which is a standard object again. And maybe we need an explanation for that FI document. So let's say text, meaning long text. But here I will use a button here, predefined type. I will not recommend this, but sometimes you can use it. If you don't want to create a data element and you couldn't find a standard data element to use, just press predefined type. Now you see this area is grayed out and these areas are free to fill. Now I write here char. It will be 50 long and its description is explanation. Now we have a component which is defined by a predefined type in the structure. Now I press component type. Now in this structure we have a custom data element, 2 standard data elements, and 1 predefined type component. Now I press save, and when I press activate, we will get an error message. Let's see what it is. Errors during activation. Our amount needs a reference table and a reference field, which we already have in the structure. So as you see, here we have a currency quantity fields. Press this tab. As you see, our amount has fields that are available for reference table and reference field. We will give the structure, which is our structure, which we have its field here for currency key. Now let's try again. Now it's activated. Warnings are not errors. You see, it is active. Now let's go back to SE11.